Wait, you can't find a food grade barrel? Forget it. I'm going to show you how to grow plants out of a garbage can bought at a hardware store. First things first, you need a garbage can. I went to the big box store and I bought a blue recycling container. I thought it looked pretty and the price was right. 32 gallons for $21.97. The next thing I recommend is a wide net cup. This one I picked up for $10 on Amazon. Trace your net cup and cut a hole in the lid of the recycling container. After the hole is cut, then you add water, add your nutrients, place your plant inside the net cup, fill the voids with clay pebbles, and guess what? You're done. You now have a plant that grows inside a barrel that never needs to be fed and never needs to add water. So for about $30 plus the price of nutrients, plus the price of water, because water is not free these days, you have a planting container that will last for years. If you like quick and easy planting ideas, check out the other videos on my YouTube channel, Projects and Problems.